Besides ionizing radiation, high pressure processing is the other technology that we're going to discuss today. Well, this is a non-thermal technology which is capable of producing high quality foods, maintaining the characteristics of fresh products, and of course extending the shelf life. Well, the last one is the main reason that food products are being processed. It is a cold pasteurization technology by which products already sealed in their final packaging are introduced to a vessel and subjected to a high level of isostatic pressure. The values of the pressure may vary from 300 to 600 megapascal. This technology was used mostly for food preservation, and still nowadays this is the main reason that the producers use high pressure processing. This technology was known till earlier, but finally nowadays it has reached the point where it can be commercially applied on a large scale. The subject foods for this technology may be liquid or solid, packaged or unpackaged. In general, the processing time for this product may vary. It can range from a few seconds to over 20 minutes, depending on the objective of the treatment. Let's mention some concepts about what is high pressure processing. Well, this technology is also known as high pressure hydrostatic processing or ultra high pressure processing, or just called pasteurization. The name of this technology is different, as you can see, but is the same concept about this technology. HPP, it is a food processing technology that applies high pressure to solid or liquid foods to improve their safety, and in some cases this technology helps to improve the organoleptic properties or even the quality of food product. Let's talk now how to apply high pressure on food product. Well, in high pressure processing, the application of pressure can be accomplished uniformly throughout the food, independent of the size or shape and even of food composition. This technology needs to be studied as an alternative to classical thermal processing of food. Well, let's mention now some steps how do we really apply high pressure in food industry. The main advantage of this technology is because it works with the final form of product, which is after packaging, and it is known that the product is not going to be touched by human hand after its packaging. After that, we load the package into final basket, and those baskets are loaded on vessel or chamber. Baskets are pushed into the vessel, which are filled with water. Once the water is surrounded the basket, we pump the water with high pressure. Well, high pressure processing application results in an instantaneous and uniform transmission of the pressure throughout the product and is independent of the product size or geometry. These techniques can inactivate microorganisms and enzymes, prolonging their food shelf life with minimal effects on nutritive and organoleptic quality. Well, as you can see on the screen, it is a photo that explains in simple terms the principle of this technology in food industry. High pressure processing is increasingly being used in the commercial processing of food product. This because its minimal effect on sensory and nutritional quality. Well, high pressure is a non-thermal processing technology. It was firstly used in Japan and then in Europe and United States and after that in Australia. High pressure processing has been known for till earlier as a food preservation methods, but nowadays this technology is gaining popularity because of its ability to offer superior quality product as compared to conventional thermal processing and other methods. The effect of this technology, of high pressure technology on the microorganisms is different and it varies. The application of 400 to 600 megapascal pressure for 2 or more minutes in a food at room temperature will significantly reduce the bacterial vegetative load. And also this technology will inactivate certain enzymes which can give little changes in organoleptic properties of the food. Although we can say that the resistance of microorganisms on this technology it is various. For example, let's mention some gram-positive bacteria like Listeria monocytogenes. Well, they have shown a high resistance due to this technology compared to gram-negative bacteria like Salmonella. So, this technology, the effect of this technology on microorganisms is different and it is various. Let's mention now some advantages of high pressure technology. Well, firstly, this technology is attractive for customers. It meets the demand for freshness and minimal processing, as it does not require any chemical additives or high temperatures. There is no consumer negativity, for example, such as radiation, which is difficult to accept by the consumers. Increase the shelf life. Well, in this technology, the products have a wider distribution and fewer product returns. It uses less energy than other technologies and has the highest processing efficiency for foods. Let's mention some other advantages of this technology. Processing can be done on the final packaging, which avoids contamination during processing. In this technology, we have the reduction of processing time and lack of byproducts. And the last advantage that we can mention is that this technology allows inactivation of microorganisms and enzymes at low temperatures, while beneficial molecular ingredients such as bioactive, vitamins, color, flavorants remain largely intact. Well, this was the lesson for today. We have talked about ionizing radiation and high pressure processing. This technology had been known until earlier, but nowadays they are being applied on a large scale in food industry. If you want to get more information about these technologies, you can browse one of the literatures that are shown on the screen. I want to thank you for your attention. See you on the next lesson.